So I spoke to you on Monday about wild animals and showed you that picture of the wild animals and asked you to get some um, interesting facts about some of them. Okay, so here they are. And so what I did was I just wrote down all the animals' names except for the birds. I'm not sure what kinds of birds these are. So I wrote down the other animals and I wrote some interesting facts about them. I hope that you also found out some interesting facts of your own. Uh, yeah, so let's get to it. Wild animals. So we'll start here with the buffalo. The buffaloes, remember, is one of the big five, and they are called the mafia of the animal kingdom. Okay, so mafia is like another word for gangster, basically the gangster of the animal kingdom, and they call him that because people have reported or told him that they often don't forgive easily, and they seek revenge, or they try and get you back. Like if you threaten them, maybe when you were a small child, and maybe when they were older and they saw your face, they won't forget that you threatened them and they'll attack you. So they keep a grudge. Okay, then we have hippo. It's the second largest animals, and the females are called cows. So the females ones are called cows, and the second largest is the hippo, and obviously the biggest is the elephant, the biggest animal, largest animal. So the elephant, baby elephants suck on their trunks for comfort. So just like when we are babies, sometimes we suck on our thumbs, they also suck on their trunks for comfort. I found that quite cute. Crocodile. So a crocodile can grow for more than 30 years, and they can also live for over 100 years as well. So this just means that for 30 years they are still growing. So up till they 30 years old, they still grow. I think we stop at like 18 or 21, but they grow until they 30. So lion. Lionesses do 90% of the hunting. Okay, so a lioness is just a female lion, and she is actually the one that does most of the hunting, so she gets the food. And what the male lion does is actually he's the one that protects the pack. Okay, or yeah, the pride of lions. He protects them to make sure no one harms them. Then we have a tortoise. Okay, they smell with their throats. So they actually open their mouths really wide and they smell with their throats. That's quite interesting. And then giraffe. Okay, so giraffes have black tongues. I'm sure some of you've seen those black tongues before, but that's also quite unique. Yeah, then the cheetah is the fastest land animal, not the one in the sea, but the fastest land animal. And they hunt during the day, or they hunt in the day because um, so that other animals like the lions and other strong cats won't hurt them. Then we have up here snakes. So snakes swallow their foods whole. Okay, so their mouths open as even bigger than their heads, and they just swallow their food because they don't have teeth to bite, and then they just digest the food in their stomach for a very long time. Rhino. A group of rhinos is called a crash. So if you see a lot of rhinos together, you will say, you can say a group of rhinos, but the proper name is it's called a crash. A crash of rhinos. A crash of rhinos. And then we have the zebra. So zebra stripes keep bugs away, and that's quite fascinating. So the stripes on the zebra actually keeps like fleas and flies away from the zebra. So sometimes you find that the farm animals, the farmers will paint the cows with some stripes, because the fleas and the flies bug the zebras, um, and then they have to protect them by painting those stripes, and so then those bugs don't sit on them. And then we have our very own springbokke or springboks. Okay, so some springboks are totally white or black. So you've seen in the picture that most of them, when you look at them, they kind of like this color. Okay, but some of them are actually all white or all black, which is quite fascinating. I've never seen one, and I wish I could see one before I leave this earth. So yeah, guys, that's it for life skills this week. I hope you enjoyed looking for fun facts about these animals. This was so interesting for me, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.